It's going to give you a perspective like from the bottom up rather than sort of from the top down, you know?
Yeah.
So when you read history, I mean, and the further back you go, the more true this is. And it's something you really have to stay humble about. You know, you consider the fact that like today, like things that are happening today, right? We can't seem to agree on things that are just extensively documented and there's like in newspapers and video, whatever else. We can't agree about what's going on or what, you know, the president's motivations are, blah, 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 blah. And you go back further in history and you're dealing with like scraps of information a lot of times. And the further back you go, the worse it gets. You know, the idea that you should really like be careful when you really feel like you start to understand people, you know, from a time long ago. Because it's, I mean, for one thing, I mean, even if you, I mentioned, I was like, look, first of all, you're dealing with sources, written sources, which automatically means you're getting your information from the very, very, very few people in that society who knew how to write, right? Just that. And even in more recent days, when, you know, if you go back just into more recent history, you have like diaries and stuff, right? It's like, even then, you're talking about like the kind of person who would keep a diary. That's not everybody. You're talking about a certain kind of people.